Let's take a look at the market for the Ford F-450 King Ranch. For those that don't know, I'm Craig, and my brother and I built this site because we just got frustrated with how the other sites are set up. I'm looking at the market for the F-450. I'm looking at availability, spec, market velocity, and budget. Starting off with availability. One thing we're going to notice over the last 3 months is that inventory has been building, but it's largely due to more and more of these 2026s that are showing up on lots. When it comes down to budget and finding our model year, and our strategy here is that notice that 2023 to 2026, the difference here is 14 grand. 14 grand is a lot of money. However, when we're hunting, say, a $100,000 truck, what I would do is start off looking at these 2026s. Dial in for the exact spec you want, because these 2026 have the highest number of available inventory out there, so greatest chance of finding the exact spec that you want. Call around to these dealers with the exact spec you want. If you're ready to buy today, use that to your advantage, because even though, say, the average one has been only sitting for 18 days, see how aggressive they get on price, and then work down these model years based on where your spec is. Because what I would do, honestly, is 2022 is kind of the worst case scenario, because 2022 has more units available than really much of these other used model years. So if it were a 2022, for example, here's kind of how I would target that sweet spot. We'll look at the listings in the market for this, and here is kind of where I would land. $82,000 to $85,000 between those that are around 19 or 20,000 miles, and about 30-ish thousand miles would be where I would start on the used side of it. Thanks so much for the comment. I hope this helps.